going on, ladies and gentlemen? Let me tell you something. I really love this bike, the DR650, man. Is it the best bike? No. Is it the most expensive bike? No. Is it the most reliable bike? I don't know, I guess that's debatable. But I do love this bike. It's mine. I own her. And, you know, couldn't ask for anything more. Today I'm going to give her a little wash. I had a trip out to Kilbourne Crater the other day, and I'm going to wash her, get her back home, clean the chain, oil it, and then change the oil. I'm at 2,500 miles. I like to do 2 very close together oil changes when I buy a new vehicle, and just to make sure, you know. And so I did one around the 600 mark, and now around the 2,600 mark, and then my next one will be around the 5,500 mile mark, so about 3,000 miles. But that's what I'm doing today. You know, if you care about something, you know, or someone, you'll treat it or them well, you know. And I just feel like doing routine maintenance to your motorcycle is pretty important. It creates a reliable machine, and, you know, minimizes any potential problems in the future. So I'm just warming it up before every oil change. So definitely warming it up. Get all the oil flowing and hot, so it'll drain easily. Also, when you need an oil change, you're in a DR650, everything seems to be affected. You know, you'll notice your shifting isn't as smooth. It's a little more rough and stuff like that. It just feels a little rough, so your bike will tell you, if you listen to it, when she wants to be, you know, her oil change. So that's what I was noticing earlier this last week, that I was doing this, and I knew I was going to go on that trip, so I was like, you know what, I'll just do this trip. And it was just a little over 100 miles that maybe 150 miles I did this weekend. So I figured once I get back from doing all that, then I would do my oil change. Oil change? Anyways, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes when you're talking to yourself, when you're trying to vlog and you're not used to it like me, not only do you feel weird, but you get your words mixed up, or you don't say words right. It's weird. Yeah, I jumped. Oh, I love it. I fucking love it.